Welcome again for the Running Jobs on HPC System course. I would like today to give a short introduction to this course and to the clusters. And afterwards, the remaining of the course will be covered by my colleagues. Here you will, we are aiming to give some understanding for what cluster is, how it works, and what a scheduler is, and how you can use the HPC systems safely and effectively for your work. This is in general. And before we go through the introduction, maybe we can start with the prerequisites. In the beginning, we hope that you have your own HPC account in your any of the HPC centers or related to your university. Otherwise, it's fine to follow us here in this presentation, and afterwards you can apply for the account. Also, we are assuming that you have a basic knowledge about how to log in to your cluster, and if not, again, we are listing here some links that you can use this information to have this basics about how to log in. For example, here you can find quick or short videos about the login for the different Swedish HPC centers. They are very short information. You can follow them. Also, you can find here some information about the different HPC centers. If you look at them here in the box, it can be for Tetralit, Dardel, or Alvis. And typically we can log in there using the SSH. And for the people who would like to log in through the graphical interface, also you can find in the bottom some information how to log into ThinLink in some of the clusters like Tetralit and Dardel. Except for Alvis, actually, we are using a remote desktop protocol, also the open on demand. Here you can find some information about how to log into the graphical interface or to the GUI. Yeah. Again, we also assuming that you have some knowledge about Linux from yesterday course or in general, besides some information about selecting software models. Otherwise, we try to also provide some materials from our previous courses here. You can find the recordings and the material. So this is helpful for you to revisit later. Now, for this course, we are aiming to let you have some information about the cluster architecture in general, and you will learn about what is login nodes, compute nodes, core nodes, GPUs, CPUs, memory. Also, you will learn about the storage concepts like node local storage, global storage system, and you will also learn about the job scheduler concept, why they are needed, and some basic principles about how they are working. You will also learn about writing job scripts, and these can be basic jobs or for input-output intensive jobs. Also, you will learn about OpenMP and MPI jobs, job arrays, and you will take some examples for task farming beside the job arrays that I mentioned. You will learn also about how to request more memory if the default memory is not enough for your job. Also, you will learn about how to run jobs on GPUs, and you will learn towards the end how to monitor your jobs how to manage the resources and improve the job efficiency. Yes, and how to optimize your SBatch options or the scripts. Now, as I mentioned, everyone, I hope that you have your own account in different cluster. You can find here the login to these different clusters, as I mentioned before. But in order to write a script and submit job, you will need to specify a project ID, and we provided here this project ID to use in this course. In case you are not member of this project, you are able to check your active projects if you log into your cluster by printing this command, project info. So I'm already logged into my Alvis account. If I just go and use this command, project info, you will have all the active projects that you are in. So you can use one of those in your exercises for this course. Also, you can find them through the Super NAISS portal. You can just activate it there and check that. Yes, so this is what we explained about the login through SSH or through the graphical user interface. And here the schedule of the course from today. After this short introduction given by me, later you will have a lecture on batch system concept by Joachim, and then introduction to Storm, then interactive job lecture. After that, we will have short break. Then we will continue with the more examples or exercises on job arrays. And then we will have towards the end some information about job monitoring and efficiency. And then we will end it with the summary. Okay, actually for this course to be engaged with the exercises, you need to follow these steps and try to download the exercises. Like you can start with first, try to log into your system or to your cluster. After login to there, try to make a directory and then download the exercises by using step number 3. And after that, extract the exercises folder and try to navigate inside this folder. You will find subfolders related to exercises in different Swedish HPC centers. For me, I already download. I can just go inside that cluster. Okay, and if you navigate inside, you will find the exercise. If you go inside the exercises, okay, you can find the exercise for each different HPC center. And you can select the one related to you and work with the exercises later. Yes,